So, as a little girl, I always dreamt of becoming a doctor, and I don't know when that dream becomes so deeply rooted, like it just always existed. And along the journey, I didn't even realize when, but I fell in love with a branch. Hi everyone, this is Krina, and we are back with a long video after such a long time. And today we have a special guest with us, and we can't move them from the frame, and I don't really want to move them from the frame because the news that I'm going to share today, and I think that is big, and they have a great role in it. So let's begin. Okay, before I start yapping about things, I really want to say that I know I'm late making this video, but there was a lot going in my personal life as well, and I wanted to wait to share this news till I was really ready. And today I am, so I'm making a video. So there is a good news that I want to share with you all, and it couldn't have gotten any better for me. So, as a little girl, I always dreamt of becoming a doctor, and I don't know when that dream becomes so deeply rooted, like it just always existed. And along the journey, I didn't even realize when, but I fell in love with a branch. Now, it wasn't my first choice initially, but slowly it grew over me. Like it was the only thing that I could think about. During my internship and NEET PG preparation phase, there were generally some branches that I considered like Ops Gynec, Dermat, Radio, Surgery. And they say that Ops Gynec is one of the best branches out there for girls, especially. And these branches did actually cross my mind, but sometimes, beyond all this voice, trend, and everything, your heart wants something more. It pulls you towards something more. And for me, that something more was a core clinical branch that not just let me study one system, but almost everything all at once. And that's when medicine came into the picture. What's so funny is that I was always a surgery girl, and from the day I entered my medical college till my fourth year, I always thought that surgery was the it for me, like it was the final thing for me. So when this shift happened, it felt sudden. I felt like I was betraying myself and not choosing or giving up on one thing that I wanted the most when I entered. But then the internship happened. And during that phase of internship, I started thinking about the things I never thought before, like life outside of this profession. And to be honest, as much as I love medicine, I also love having a life beyond it. And surgery did not align with my lifestyle expectation. And many people will say that medicine also just as hectic as surgery. And yes, it is. But there is a difference between waking up at 3 a.m. to prescribe a medication and waking up at 3 a.m. to operate. And honestly, I don't think that I have that beautiful kind of madness, that dedication, and that obsession that surgery demands. And I really believe that surgery is that one branch that truly chooses you, not the other way around. And to be honest, I also see myself choosing a very balanced branch even after MD if I decide to go further, like endocrinology or something. And that thought gave me peace. And with all of this going, I just asked myself one very simple question, that what if time stopped and I didn't pursue any DM or any other further degrees? Will I be happy doing this thing for the rest of my life? And the answer came out to be a very confident and clear yes. And that's how I knew. So coming to which college did I choose? Now before saying that, I just want to give you a hint of why I chose that college and why that city. So the thing is that when I was in MBBS, I was almost 400 to 500 kilometers away from my home and my family, and the days were long. We had longer shifts, longer reading period of time and everything. And during that, many things happened in our personal life as well. So I lost my father in the ending of the first year or second year, and during all those tough times, all I wanted to be is to be closer to my home, closer to my family. So when residency came into picture, I knew my top priority was to get a college near my hometown, near my family, not just because of the convenience, but also because I knew that residency is going to take a lot from me mentally, physically, and emotionally. Time I'd scored better, and I knew I had a chance to get somewhere near my hometown. And in the first round, I was actually allotted Ahmedabad. I was happy because it was comparatively near, but I was still hoping for Surat in my heart. And then it happened. I got into SMIMER Surat, the Surat Municipal Institute of Education, Medical Education and Research. And I finally got in. So at the end, every tear, every effort, and every breakdown was worth it. Because I'm close to my home now. My mother, my family, and my dogs can come visit me anytime, if not the other way around. And I'm very happy about it. And I also want to talk about how I'm so sure, not just of the branches that I chose, but also about the branches that I did not. I think I've already talked about how surgery was not aligning with my lifestyle expectation, and pretty much later in my life, surgery was something I did not want to do for the rest of my life. So surgery and obs-gynaec were pretty much out of option. Okay, now about dermatology. This branch I seriously considered during my counseling phase, especially because when you want to go in and when you want to sign up for something, you want to think of it as long-term decision and not just for the 3 years of residency. And Dermat offers an excellent work-life balance. But again, it was mostly related to skin, and while Dermat has its own beauty and depth, the vastness of medicine attracted me somewhere a lot more. Now, as for radiology, again, it's one of the most beautiful branch out there because it offers you excellent comfort and lifestyle and work-life balance. But that does not align with who I am as a doctor because I need patient interaction. I want to be able to treat them. I want to do life-saving procedures. I want to put central lines. I want to put IVs. That might sound weird, but yes, I want to be able to treat my near people with the everyday illnesses, and that part of medicine pulled me in very deeply. So a few lines for the exact moment where I fell in love with medicine. So it mostly happened during the long rounds, which happened in our ICUs and our wards, where I was lucky enough to be standing there, hearing our professors discussing the cases and seeing how they think, how they proceed with every step with caution and with utmost intelligence and their expertise and everything. I slowly became more sure of what I was choosing. So today I can say with utmost peace, I'm sure of my decision. Not just because I got what I wanted, but because I understood why I wanted it. So yes, I did it. I got my dream branch, MD Medicine at Smimar College, Surat. And I couldn't be more grateful. So thank you for being here, thank you for listening, and thank you for growing with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.